Good morning everybody, welcome to a new video. So today we will be reviewing the Drone X Pro I got for my birthday. So it is known as a pocket drone. It has a full HD camera, Wi-Fi, Connect, a bunch of good stuff. Films at 720p, so let's take a look inside. So first thing you'll find in the box is obviously a beautiful carrying case, which honestly is one of my favorite carrying cases I have seen on a drone. So the first thing you'll find in the box is obviously the drone, which honestly is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. If you have not seen the resemblance between this drone and another one called the DJI Mavic, they're basically twins. This one's just a smaller clone. Next thing you'll find is the remote, which is honestly basically the same as the DJI Mavic 2. Has a nice little thing to hold your phone, because this thing does actually come with an app where you can use the camera on the front, which is a 720p camera. Got nice little antennas and is super duper compact. Next thing you'll find in the box is actually the propeller guards. So these will help you for if you bump against the wall, it will like save your propellers basically. But if something is to happen, it does come with extra propellers and a screwdriver to take them off. It also does come with instructions and a charger, so pretty useful. Now I would say to read the instructions before, mostly check out the how like the remote layout is and everything, because it took me a while to learn that and everything, as you can see from right here. It took me a while to learn all about the remote and stuff. That's everything showing you about the app and what the thing uses, and then the rest of it is in Chinese because it's from China. But yeah, so that's enough of the box. So let's go ahead and look at the beautiful drone. So obviously, as you can see, it's super duper compact. Let me just get everything out of the way. Super duper compact. Now my favorite feature of this drone is obviously how it opens. As you can see, it kind of opens like an X, which I really do like, because when you close it, obviously it's really tiny, and I really do like that because it really does show that it could fit in your pocket. But yeah, it's just a beautiful, nice little drone. Doesn't have the sensors as the main Mavic, but just take a good look at it. And it has the stripes and everything just like the Mavic. So let me just take these things off that came with the drone, which helped to close the propellers. As you can see, it's actually 2 propellers per motor, which helps with obviously stability and everything. Now obviously, tiny drone, tiny battery, which I thought was crazy about this battery is that the charger actually plugs in on the side instead of actually on the drone like the actual DJI Mavic does, which I think is actually pretty crazy that it does that. Super duper tiny, fits anywhere. You could just plug it in via USB, or you could put a wall block to it or wall brick, and yeah, it charges up your battery for you, and yeah, it's super duper nice. So anyways, let's put the battery in the drone again. Now let's actually move everything out of the way, because you're actually going to need a device to set up this drone. So I got my iPad over here. I'm going to go ahead, go to the App Store. The app is called JP Pro, I'm pretty sure. Really good app, or no, JYUFO. So since I already had it downloaded on my phone, I'm just going to download it on my iPad, as you guys can see here. Very nice, quick download. The drone connects through Wi-Fi, so you obviously have to go to your settings and boot up the drone first, then the Wi-Fi should show up, as you can see from what I'm doing here. Drone has some nice little cool lights at the front too, and a cool light at the top, and a red light at the back. So it actually, sorry for blinding you guys there, but it actually blinks, telling you that's in pairing mode. Now the drone is going to be called the Wi-Fi 720p, and then like a bunch of numbers at the end showing you the model of the drone. Now the drone's going to keep blinking until you connect to the app, which is going to automatically connect the drone, which you're going to see the front. As you can see, it's showing whatever's on the front of the drone, because there's a tiny little camera on the front. Sorry for blinding you guys there again. But the drone actually keeps blinking because you actually need to turn on the remote to get the drone working. So there's a nice little setup for the drone. Let me move it over here. Nice little setup for the drone. Gotta get the antennas out first. all you have to do is turn it on, then put the dials to the right, bottom right corner, up and down. And then as you can see, the blinking has stopped. The drone is armed. Now it blinks because it realizes that it's not straight on the ground. But yeah, as you can see, drone's really nice. Controller fits pretty good in my hand. Yeah, that's for the phone and everything. But since I'm using my iPad, don't really need that. And yeah. Now I'm gonna close everything up because I gotta get a good look at this drone for you guys. Let me turn off the drone real quick. Just gotta hold the button to turn it off. And let me clean everything, and I'm gonna show you guys a nice little clip of the drone. First, let me go ahead and show you guys with the protection. It's actually like really weird to see it with the protection, because when you see the main drone, it looks really cool, and it doesn't really come with a protection. But yeah, I just decided to put it on just so you guys could see what it looks like, and if you guys are interested in this drone. Now, I don't actually specifically have the website for this drone since I did get it for my birthday, so I have no idea what website my mom and dad got it from. But yeah, as you can see, it's already starting to look a little weird if you have seen the actual drone in real life, which I have. It's actually like double the size, maybe even triple the size of this drone, which is pretty insane, to be honest. So just a little bit of persuasion, and the protection should fit, as you can see. And because I was like looking for it, so the only reason you guys can actually see all of this is because there's a huge wooden pole between my legs, like so I can hang my camera on the roof, because I don't actually have a proper roof mount. Here I'm setting up everything for a nice little photo shoot, which I will show you guys now, just to see the beautiful drone. So yeah, enjoy guys.